Welcome to the world of chemistry, where today we explore toluene, a fascinating organic compound with the formula C7H8.
Toluene is a clear, water-insoluble liquid with a distinctive smell, often associated with paint thinners.
This compound is a key ingredient in the production of various compounds, including TNT and benzene.
Toluene is also used as a solvent in a wide range of industrial applications, from glues to nail polish. In the laboratory, toluene serves as an important solvent for carrying out chemical reactions.
Despite its usefulness, toluene must be handled carefully due to its potential health hazards.
Understanding toluene helps us appreciate its role in industrial chemistry and the precautions necessary for its use.